This is Advocate Anila Jayaprakash. Welcome to Legal Desk. Today's video is extremely important, especially for parents who cannot afford expensive private school fees, for school management, and even for government authorities. Most people think free education in private schools is just theory. Many parents believe in private school free seat will not get. But the Honorable Supreme Court of India has made it very clear. Poor and disadvantaged children have a legal right to free education even in private unaided schools. This is not charity, this is not concession, this is law. Constitution mandates it. Today I will explain what exactly the Honorable Supreme Court said. Under Section 12 Subclause 1 Subclause C of RTE means in real life duties of schools, duties of government, rights of parents, and what to do if admission is denied. Please watch this video till end. This video can change a child's future. Let us first understand why RTE Act exists. Education was not always a fundamental right. In India, education became a constitutional right only after Article 21A was inserted. This article says every child between 6 to 14 years has a right to free and compulsory education. To implement this, Parliament enacted the Right to Children to Free and Compulsory Education Act 2009. Now you listen carefully. The Act does not apply only to government schools. It also applies unaided private schools. Every private unaided school must reserve 25% of seats at entry level for economically weaker section, disadvantaged groups. These children must be given free education till completion of elementary education. Who will pay the fees? The government reimburses the school. So, school cannot say government didn't pay, we are private, our standard will reduce. Law does not allow such excuse. The Honorable Supreme Court made very strong observations. The Honorable Court said the provision is not symbolic. It is not optional. It is a mandatory obligation. The Honorable Court went to extent of saying that implementing RTE admission is a national mission, not a formality. The judge reminded everyone that education breaks poverty, education removes inequality, education builds fraternity. Children of rich and children of poor must sit in same classroom. That is the spirit of the Constitution. The Honorable Supreme Court clearly held state government cannot escape responsibility. State must frame proper rules, create transparent admission portals, identify eligible children, ensure admission happen, reimburse schools on time. If states fail, children suffer, and that is unconstitutional. The court said lack of funds, delay, or administrative excuses cannot override a child's fundamental right. Private schools must understand one thing very clearly. When you take recognition under law, you accept legal obligations. So, the school cannot conduct interviews, reject on merit, demand donations, create indirect barriers, keep seats deliberately vacant, Any such act amounts to violation of RTE Act. Parents must know their rights. If your child belongs to EWS or advantage group, you have a legal right to apply. You have a right to free education. You have a right to reimbursement benefits. You have a right to complain. Authorities you can approach education department, district education officer, child rights commission and high court. This is not begging. This is enforcing law. If a school refuses to give admission, ask for written rejection. File complaint with education officer, approach Child Rights Commission. At last option, file a writ petition before the Honorable High Court. Court have repeatedly protected children under RTE. Please remember this. Education is not a privilege of the rich. Education is not a business commodity. Education is constitutional promise. The Honorable Supreme Court has spoken clearly. Now it is our duty to spread awareness, to assert rights and protect the children. If this video helps even one child enter a school, this effort is worth it. Please like, share and subscribe this. Law should reach the last child in society. Thank you.